मनोगत व्यक्त करण्यासाठी
My respected teacher and dear friends, good morning. Today, the topic of my speech is Independence Day. As we all know, we are here to celebrate our 78th Independence Day. On this day, August 15, we remember and honor the brave heroes who fought for our freedom. Many years ago, India was not a free country. British ruled over us for almost 200 years and made many unfair rules. But the great leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, and many more, with brave freedom fighters worked tirelessly and made sacrifices for years to make India free. Finally, on August 15, 1947, India became an independent country. This means we could make our own rules and decisions for our country. It was a moment of joy and pride for all Indians. Since then, we celebrate Independence Day as a national festival with patriotic zeal. At last, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day, and I wish hope together we can build a wonderful nation. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Guru. Thank you.
खूप छान असं मनोगत तिने व्यक्त केलेलं आहे. यानंतर 6th सेमी मधून साई पाटील हा आपल्या मनोगत व्यक्त करण्यासाठी
जय गुरुदेव. आज सर्व